join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me.
We don't have any system master database available for backups. We can no longer start the SQL Server engine. Okay, so what we can do is to reinstall all the system database from the setup that was installed in the drive C while installing SQL. Okay, we will go step by step. We will create a database and name it test. Okay, database is just on the left. Okay, I will explain to you later why we create this database. We shut down the SQL engine, just here, and shut down the SQL service. And we have a crash. We no longer have access to the SQL engine. Here we are in the most difficult situation. So we will go to the repertoire where there are all the system database by default. Okay, it's just here. And here we have all our system database with the database test just here that we just created before. We will archive all these system database. We'll put them in the folder archive. Okay, let's go and move all these folder. Okay, so we will keep the test database for test. And we no longer have any system database. We are in that case where it's crashed. We have nothing. We will keep the test database for the moment. We archive them and we see from where the setup will be launched. Is in this directory. By default, the setup you'll find in this directory. Okay, so it takes this setup that will be launched and which will reinstall the system database starting from the first, it's important, the first installation of SQL Server. Okay, okay, now we type cmd command cmd like as an administrator. Okay, I have already launched the cmd command as an administrator, and we will position ourselves in the CD setup. Otherwise, it will not work. I am already in the right directory to save time. Okay, and if I type here, I have the setup. It's just right here. Okay. Now I will copy and paste the magic command to restore all the system database. So now we will start our magic trick that will allow us to restore all the system database. Okay. Let's go. Here we type in the setup. Just make a zoom. Setup just here. Quite that means in silent mode. action, that means rebuild all the database. Instance name with the actual name of it, of the server instance SQL, and sysadmin to determine who can have access to the SQL engine in sysadmin. Otherwise, it not work. We see that it's done. We press F5 to continue, and all the system database are back. Okay, we already have those that we archived before, so no problem to put them back after. So here we reinstall all the system database. After that, you should restart the SQL engine. Okay, restart the SQL engine. We restart here. Here we see that it's been restarted perfectly, and we go to the how connection. You can connect to your SQL engine, but we no longer have a test database. Okay, it's because we restored the master database from the first installation. So here we have the first installation. The database didn't exist. Okay, so it doesn't have the test database, is a reference database master. So in this demo, you see how to restore all the database system. Keep in mind that it's possible to do it. I hope that it's clearer for you now.